our great Vice Academy, the panels of judges, honorable timekeeper, my respected teacher, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. My name is Fatima Bia Haruna. It is my pleasure to stop at Guamet to support the motion. We said education is better than money. With the following reason of mine: firstly, without education, this world will not be in peace. Secondly, without education, this school will not be established. Thirdly, fourthly, education is the source of good life, and also education helps me to know our value, dignity, prosperity, security, respect to one another. Successful business, justice, good leadership. Malam Bashir, with due respect, let me ask you a question, please. Why did you choose to become a teacher but not a businessman? My fellow students, why are we here at school? We are here to learn, to know, to understand, to have a very good future through education. Education is not important. Why are we here? Why can't you go back to home? Why can't you go and sell our also? Do you think you will have No, you will never be and you will not be at all. Mr. Chairman, I know even now you are happy by seeing your students taken in front of you, stolen to the public,